This is at the beginning. What can you see? And you need to draw a diagram. This is after 5 minutes. Have a look at the chocolate. Can you see any changes? I think the ice, there are lots of changes occurring. You need to write down your observations and your diagram. This is now your 10-minute check-in. Having a look at the chocolate, it still hasn't changed very much at all. And this is the ice. And you can see it is melting quite a bit. You need to write down your observations and your diagram. This is your 15-minute check-in. Again, chocolate is still the same, but your ice has definitely reduced in size and it's begun to melt off the plate. Write down your observations and do your diagram.